Okay, so I got everything else taped off. Pay no attention to that. That's just all the speaker wiring that's supposed to go to your aftermarket wiring harness to plug into your factory harnesses to the car. But this Bose integration unit, using your Bose speakers with the preamps, they give you left, right, front, rears, and you can use your aftermarket head unit instead of your Bose if it blew out or doesn't work. So everything's taped off, power constant, antenna, amp turn on, illumination, ground, and I'm gonna see if it works. Now, usually constant, I'm thinking will let you turn on this radio without the key turned on. Well, let's see if that's true. No. So here we go. I'm gonna put power to it. I'm gonna be quiet. There is a 10 amp fuse back there. If something goes wrong, it's gonna blow. The antenna's going up.